Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and this is another edition of What's on the Porch, and today I have a new subscription box to my channel, and it is called Gelry, and I'm already behind because I've got two boxes here, so we're going to unbox October and November. Gelry is a monthly jewelry subscription box. And you can subscribe by month, or you can do it every 3 months. It's $21 if you do it monthly. It's $19 if you do it every 3 months. 6 months you'll pay $17 a box. And if you sign up for a year, it's $15 a box. And I did the 3-month subscription so that I could check it out and see whether or not I liked it. So far I do. I may consider subscribing to this for a year because I love my jewelry, especially my earrings and my rings. And so far this is a really nice subscription box. You get to choose your tones, whether you want gold, rose gold, or silver. Or you can do a rotation of gold, rose gold, and silver. I went with silver because silver jewelry looks best on me, and that's what I like best. You get to choose your ring size, and then you can personalize your box, and those options are either statement, minimalist, fun and trendy, delicate, or bohemian, and I went with bohemian. Then you can choose yes or no for earrings, and it asks you what your age range is. Currently on the Cratejoy website, they have a code for 100% off your first shipment if you subscribe for 6 or 12 months, or 50% off your first box with a 3-month subscription. And those codes are on there. I'll have the link to jewelry gift box on Cratejoy down in the description box. So let's quit talking about it and I'll show you what I have. This is the October box, and when you open it up, it has a little silk bag and some squiggly doos in there. It says, "Hello gorgeous, say hello to your new favorite. Thank you for supporting our small business. We hope this order makes your day." And all of your jewelry is inside this little silk bag, which makes a nice little gift bag when you're giving things away. It also comes with a gift voucher. You can go to their website and shop, and they're giving me a 50% off code to do that. And I have 4 items in my box, and they're all packaged. The first item that I have is a pair of earrings, and I really like these because they are a lotus flower. They are super cute. Aren't those cute? Those are super cute. And in the bag, she has the little plastic earring backs to hold them on. I really do like those. Those are right up my alley. And then next I have 2 bracelets. These are super cute as well. This as well has a lotus flower, and then the other one looks like a Celtic knot, which again is right up my alley. The Celtic knot is on this cord, and then it has the lobster clasp. Has a little bit of texture to it, and then it's got the beads. It feels nice and sturdy, so I like that. And then the lotus flower is all silver, and that as well has the lobster clasp, and it has an extender on it, so depending on how big your wrist is, then it should fit you fairly well. Look how pretty that is. I love that. And then I have a necklace. So the website says that you get 3 unique jewelry pieces curated to your preference. So I'm assuming that I got 4, maybe because that was my first box and it was a little welcome gift. So this is what the necklace looks like, and it has different color jewels on it. It's very pretty, and I was a little concerned. I have already tried this on because I was a little concerned with it being kind of short, whether it would fit me. But it fits me fine. It is a very nice length. I like that. So I'm very pleased with that. Just a nice, kind of simple necklace, but it has those colored jewels. And then the last item that I have is also a set of bracelets. This is just a bead bracelet, and then it has that one textured bead in the middle. Very pretty, and it's elastic. And then this one has the heart with the tassel, and it as well is elastic. So those are really nice. So that was my October box. And now this is my November box. And it says Giving Thanks, and I have another little bag and some more squiggly doos. I was doing ear fleek. I think I did a full year of ear fleek, and then I unsubscribed because I had tried them for a year. And I think that there were only a couple of items that I got from them that were questionable as far as quality goes. In this box, I have 4 pieces again, but their website says 3. So I have a ring, and I like it because it's different. Very pretty. It's probably going to fit my, yes, it fits my middle finger better. I don't want to give y'all the finger, but it's a very pretty ring. I like that. It's very unique. And then this time I got 2 pair of earrings. I have these little 4-leaf clovers. They're cute. They just have the post. And then in this little bag that says thank you, I have another set of post earrings. I'm not a big fan of post earrings. I don't normally wear them, but these are cute, even though they look kind of similar to the 4-leaf clovers, but they're actually a little flower with a little jewel in the center. And I think that the petals look like little hearts, but they're post earrings too. They're really cute. And then the last item in my November box is a necklace. And this says, it says inhale and exhale, which is also very me, very zen. That's really cute. I like that. This one as well looks like it's going to be a nice length. It has the lobster clasp on it. Very simple but very cute. I like that. So I am happy with all the items that I got in my jewelry boxes. Let's do a little giveaway. Do you want to? Because it's been a while since I've done any giveaways, and I'm supposed to be doing giveaways for the whole birthday thing, and I'm slacking and I haven't been able to do that. So let's do a little giveaway in this video. Let's do these 2 little post earrings, and we'll do the 2 little beaded bracelets. Not breastlets, they're bracelets. So we'll do these, and I'll throw something else in there along with it. Some skincare or some sheet mask or something. So since I have the whole bohemian vibe going on, which is all calm and zenful, and I have this necklace that says inhale and exhale, go down in the comments and leave me a complete sentence telling me how you inhale and exhale. Make sure you use the words inhale and exhale, and that will enter you in to win the giveaway. I'm not real sure when this video will go up, so I will run the giveaway for a week from the date of the posting of this video. The end date will be down in the description box along with all of the rules. So make sure you go down and read all of the rules. And that's my new subscription box, my Gelry subscription box. So thanks for hanging out with me and watching me open October and November Gelry Box. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance, and so is jewelry, the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, this ring looks like some kind of fishing hack tool. Like you could, like, run your fishing line through it or something. I don't know, but I think you need this cool ring fishing tool. Okay, it'll make you beautiful. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.